No matter what they tell us, no matter what they choose, no matter what they teach us, what we believe is true. No matter what they call us, however they attack, no matter where they take us, we'll find a road we find. I can't deny what I believe. I can be what I'm not. I know I love forever. I know no matter what. If only tears will laughter, if only night was true, if only prayer answer, then we would hear God say, no matter what they tell you, no matter what they choose, no matter what they teach you, what you believe is true. And I will keep you safe and strong, and shelter from the storm. No matter where it's boring, a dream is being born. No matter what you follow, no matter where to live, no matter how to judge us, I live with what you need. No matter if the sun is shining or if the sky is blue, love forever. That's all that matters.